Hi loves, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this 36-inch ponytail on natural hair with no glue or heat. I'm going to start off by brushing my unwashed damp hair into a super duper loose bun, and then I'm going to gradually add product and start to brush and form my ponytail. So today I'm going to be trying out the Shine and Jam Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Gel. It really reminds me of the one by Eco Styler, but this one has a much softer hold. Because it has such a soft hold, it wasn't giving me the results that I was looking for. So if you do have Eco Styler on hand, by all means use that. But I didn't have any, so I went ahead and used some of my olive oil grip gel, and I seen Arrogant Tay, I believe, use this on his ponytail, so I decided to try it out. I've used this gel before and it does flake up, and it did leave a white cast on my hair. I don't know if it's because I used one product then layered this on top, but after laying my hair down with my scarf, the white cast did eventually go away. Once I get my ponytail to my liking, I'm then going to take a bra strap, yes, a bra strap, and wrap it around my hair as if I'm tying a hair bow, but I'm going to use the clamp to clamp it in the other one or the circle as I'm doing in my video. This gives me a way better ponytail. It's tighter and it doesn't give you that bubble in the back of your head. So once I'm done making sure my hair is slicked back and my edges are laid, I'm then going to take this do-rag, which I cut a hole at the top so my buns can go through. That way that when I'm laying my hair, it's laying 360 instead of when you put on a regular scarf and it kind of have like a gap at the top and it's not laying down flat. Yeah, I got you, girl. Go ahead and go to the beauty supply store and cut a hole at the top and lay your ponytails 360, like, period. I'm then going to braid my ponytail as flat and as neat as possible just to get the best outcome. Now I am doing this on natural hair, so I'm not expecting it to be super duper neat, so just try your best. We're going to cover it anyway. So I picked up this hair from my local beauty supply store. I think it was $13.99 plus tax, so it wasn't really bad for 36 inches. It's in a 1B and it's called Breezy Wave. It's a shake and go. I'm going to leave it in the description bar below because I do not know how to pronounce the name of this company and I don't want to butcher it, okay? But always check your local beauty supply stores because they're 9 times out of 10 going to have it cheaper than on Amazon or Sam's Beauty or different things like that, okay? So since we are not using glue, we are going to be attaching an elastic band to the end of the weft of the track, and we're going to be tying that at the end of our ponytail and wrapping the weft up our hair as flat as possible. So you're going to take your weave needle and thread and sew that through your elastic band a couple of times and make sure you double knot it so you have a secure hold. I'm then going to take the needle through both the weft and the track together to make sure they are both secured, and I'm going to loop them 2 or 3 times before knotting it just to have a super secure hold just in case the ponytail gets pulled, tugged, or anything like that. Once I've secured the elastic band to the weft of the track, I am then going to tie the elastic band to the end of my ponytail. Then I am going to tightly and gradually work my way up the braid with the track laying flat across it, okay? Make sure that it is laying flat, otherwise it is not going to work. We're not putting glue on this. We are simply wrapping and pulling as tight as we can, but not to the point where it's uncomfortable. Another way of thinking about this process is you spiraling the track around the braid just like a spiraling staircase. And once you get to the base of your ponytail, we are then going to bobby pin it. Take a piece of hair from the back, making sure the hair is flat and smoothed out. We are going to take that hair and wrap it around the base of our ponytail to make it look flawless. And to secure this piece, I am going to be using Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray, or you can bobby pin it or use spritz, anything that is going to hold. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the comments below. I'm going to list everything that I used in this video in the description bar below. Also, make sure you take a look at your local beauty supply stores because it may be a little bit cheaper. You know, I'm trying to save you some coins. I'll see you guys in the next video.